Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kamino finance token. Ticker symbol is KMNO. Now this token just became available on a very big central exchange, brand new central exchange listing for today, May 6th. We're going to talk about the Kamino finance token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the KMNO is the native token that powers the Kamino platform. KMNO is the native Solana SPL token that leverages Kamino native token transfers and can be transferred seamlessly to any Kamino connected network. Now this token just got listed today, May 6th at 5 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Bitmart account, you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search the ticker symbol KMNO and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual at Kamino Finance. It says building the future on DeFi on Solana. Has a link to their application right there. 152,700 Twitter followers. Says they're also followed by KuCoin. Most likely they're also listed on KuCoin. Gold verified checkmark, over 1,700 tweets. So very active on the socials there. So Kamino portal, automated products powered by secure DeFi primitives. So Kamino Finance was originally created to offer users the easiest possible way of providing liquidity and earning yield on-chain. The protocol's one-click auto-compounding concentrated liquidity strategies quickly became the most popular LP products on Solana and laid the foundation for what Kamino is now. Today, Kamino is the first of its kind DeFi protocol that unifies lending, liquidity, and leverage into a single secure DeFi product suite. On Kamino, users can borrow and lend their assets, provide leveraged liquidity to concentrated liquidity dexes, build their own automated liquidity strategies, use concentrated liquidity positions as collateral, and Kamino's product suite is packaged into an industry-leading UX that offers transparent analytics, detailed performance data, and extensive position info. Their products, they have borrow and lending, multiply vaults, long and short vaults, and liquidity vaults. So they have here the product overview. They have here, it says the Kamino offers a suite of products that combine a variety of decentralized finance primitives that power sophisticated strategies, each wrapped into an accessible user-centric interface. So the two core primitives are the automated liquidity vaults, Kamino Lend. They also have the multiply vaults and the long short vaults. So they have here the token info. They also have a full audit, it says here. So there's a total supply of 10 billion tokens, and it is distributed with 35% going to community and grants, 7.5% going to Genesis community allocation, 10% going to liquidity and treasury, 20% core contributors, 35% going to key stakeholders and advisors. And it says here, Kamino has one of the largest communities in Solana decentralized finance, as well as numerous projects already building on Kamino's infrastructure. The goal is for Kamino to further grow as a foundational layer, powering credit and liquidity across the Solana network. In this pursuit, 35% of the Kmno supply is allocated to the growth initiatives. So they have the build on Kamino section too, if you want to be, if there's developer documentation, bug bounty, SDK, smart contracts, and brand assets. And they also offer staking. So staking rewards long-term users of the protocol by staking your Kmno. You can boost your points earnings. Over time, your staking multiplier will increase, enabling you to boost your points up to 300%. Staking goes live upon the Kmno launch, April 30th at 12 p.m. UTC time. To stake your Kmno, you can go to the Kmno staking page and click stake. For every $1 of Kmno staked, you earn 3 times points per day. In addition, staking will instantly earn you base staking boost of 30%. Over time, your stake multiplier will increase as you remain staked, thus increasing your total staking boost over time. So the key values is base staking boost, daily multiplier, staking multiplier, total staking boost, and max boost. And they show you how staking works on their document section along with the points. And you can learn all about the points there. So there is a full light paper as well. And in the light paper, they have the K-Lend features. It says K-Lend features a single liquidity market rather than a multi-pool design. Within this market, K-Lend introduces an E-mode mechanism that enables higher leverage when lending borrowing solely within a certain asset grouping. They also have elevation mode, which allows users to borrow highly correlated and soft-pegged assets at more capital-efficient LTV ratio. With K-Lend's unified liquidity market, assets can be grouped into elevation groups. So you can learn all about this stuff at docs.kamino.finance. You can find their webpage at kamino.finance. Check out the Twitter here. Check out their other socials that are linked on the webpage. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.